heart attack here. Some monster wave. I thought he was going to die. Melissa, what's the thought of the threat?
Ty, gotta shed some light on this situation here.
No, this is good. I got the turtleneck on. Kind of chilly out, but it's probably gonna warm up.
That does matter, right?
We got some sills out today. We got some competition.
We got
content creations.
we got OHO.
OHO's out here today with us.
Look at this guy. He's ready to rip. What's going on, dude? You ready to go?
Heck yeah, dude. I know Michael's got a nice camera too. I gotta get a nicer one. A better one for like that. All you wanna do is get naked. How much that one cost you? Oh! Oh, that's just the lens on there.
The lens is the
expensive part.
Yeah.
So it's a different thing when you're out hunting. You know, you're like, idle down, babe. Oh, goddamn. Whack! What do we got for time?
That when was that? We were walleye fishing, right?
Walleye fishing.
That was pretty funny.
Gotta whack those things. Alright, I guess we gotta pay attention, boys. I think so.
Oh, it looks like there's a group. I don't know if there's some shit flying or not.
Right here, boys. Shoot him.
Shoot.
Oh my god. Nice.
1, 2.
3, maybe?
Oh,
Three
big group.
loads.
Shane, get in there. Real. Killer.
Come on.
Right here. Hold on.
Nice.
Alright, hold on. We got how many down?
4.
5.
I'm left. One. Over the tree, over the corn.
Yeah.
They're like right here. In the field. Get down a little bit. What do you think, OHO? Yeah. What do you think? Pretty fucking cool. Here, you can move this. Turn. Get it on. You see him right here on the right. Here. Right on top of you. He just got buzzed by like 20. We'll turn. Right over his head. Down. Wait. Oh shit. Wait. Shoot drakes. Look at them all. Yeah, holy fuck. Should we shoot them? No. Oh my god, dude. There's one landing right here. I know. There's a drake. Here they go. I'm left, up front. You guys ready? Should we shoot him? Yeah. The one flew right over our head. You're gonna pick him up.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, it's fucking fun. Oh my god. Nice. You got one, dude.
That one. Damn, I shot ahead. 1.
Ty, shoot it! Nice, Ty!
You get it?
Oh, I got it. Get it in here.
That's. I got 2 drakes.
I got another one here. There's another one right here. I got 3.
I got 2.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Go ahead. Nope, Mojo.
Hey!
Get up, Bert.
Hey!
Yep.
Yep!
Yep.
Hey!
Yep.
Hey! Shane, you watch it. Just let him chill. There's no more. Hey! Walk out there, Ty.
Shane, do you still want to shoot if I walk out?
Yep.
We'll get ready in case you. Ty, get ready.
Yeah, boy. Come down. Come down, come down. They're copped.
Get him.
Get him. Okay. Who shot that one?
There's another one down there too.
Yeah.
Oh, good. You gotta shoot him.
Got one down right there, and you gotta go chase down the other one.
Because the other one was way right.
Ty, get in. I can't believe you guys didn't.
What's that?
Get on. Ty, get on. Never mind. Never mind.
Decapitated.
Yeah. The second shot, first shot he missed. Second shot, there was no head left.
Decapitated.
Did he?
Yeah. No, they're coming. They're coming.
Come right at us.
Come on. They're here.
Yeah, they like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't turn. Too early. Out of it here. Keep going. Get him. Three birds down. 4. One in the spread, 4. Ty, hold on, shoot that one. He's running for it.
Oh! There we go. Dude, Ty's on a sausage fest.
Dude, that
Ty's on a sausage fest right now.
action right there.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
Muzzle!
Dude, that was a big old flock too that came right at it.
Oh yeah.
Woo! How many we get?
4. This one is mine. So if it's banded, guess what? No band.
They're coming quick.
How many we got? 6?
We got 6. Where am I going? Are you phoning one? Dude, doesn't it always sit like that? Get yourself. Does it always sit like that?
They're doing the same thing as the last group. Let Shane get these birds next time. Oh yeah, they're up there though. Oh, they're gonna do it.
That big group's out front coming still.
Oh, cool. These ones are awesome. There's geese behind us. There's 4 long.
Yeah, they're pretty far. They're still high.
Oh, you could get these 4 right here. Yeah, they can't dodge. They didn't flare though.
Where's that big group? The big group's still coming. Oh, they're coming back.
I was gonna say they didn't flare.
They're right over us. It's a flash. Yeah, they are. The first group. They're working.
They're working. This is what they do.
Right there, though.
This is what they do. They work. Here comes this 4, thinking hard.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they're coming right there. They did that last time.
Yeah. They did this exact thing last time. Here they come.
Hit this one, Dixie, on us.
Get them low.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
I need 3 more?
Yep.
Oh, boy.
Yep. Look for legs. Shane, you want to shoot him? Shoot him. Shane, shoot him. Shoot the first. Nice. Nice, boys. Let's go, dude.
Peppered one.
Let's go, dude.
Heck yeah, dude. First one I shot, yeah.
Let's go, boys. Limited.
Yeah.
Limited.
Somebody else took down the.
Let's get out there. The old OHO is on the move. Look at that. Let me get out. I need to shoot some.
That'd be sick. It is, too.
Is it really?
No. The small one. Oh, yeah, this year. Heck yeah, dude. Bird
Let's
down,
go.
baby.
Let's go. Finish it off. That's the limit.
That's the limit.
That's all you need.
Those things wanted in here.
Oh my gosh, they were doing it beautiful over the dive bombs.
Dude, I was like, whoa, I forgot this is on my auto.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
was so used to a pump.
No, it's a little 20 gauge. That's my duck gun.
Dude, I know I dusted that one, but I must have hit
Oh,
the
yeah.
body. It didn't take it down the head. Oh yeah, no bad. This is sick.
And that's how you do it. We're done.
This is sick. Fuck yeah, dude.
Let's go.
We done.
Dude, those were backpedaling.
7:30.
Yeah.
Perfect. Those things were backpedaling.
Logan's gonna love it.
You can be, yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Nice shooting, Shane.
Ty?
The dive bombs are
Hey.
the move.
It was a good morning. They didn't like them.
They were loving the dive bombs this morning. How we feeling, kid? How we feeling about the past couple days?
All good.
All good, no bad. We got OHO, a little collab action.
That's right, man. Woo!
Boom.
Oh shit. Oh,
Pretty good couple days.
more coming too.
Where? Oh, over the barn.
Right there too.
Yeah. They wanted in even when I was walking
You
out.
guys are stopping for breakfast, but I'll buy if you are. No.
No, you're fine.
I mean, you guys are stopping at KT. I'll grab whatever you guys want.
No, we're fine. We're just gonna go hit the snoozer.
Yeah.